The Internet is a virtual universe that is constantly expanding. It has progressively changed our way of working and communicating, as well as the way we follow the news, listen to music and watch videos. Web usage is moving more and more in the direction of interaction between users. This is quickly giving rise to the appearance of numerous services and the development of new technologies that require more and more bandwidth. To access the network, any user with a live box or a computer with a modem can obtain an IP address from an Internet access provider. In the network, there are four main types of files: documents, images, audio and video. When a file is transmitted from a computer to another, it is fragmented into pieces called packets. To find their path through the network, the packets contain the destination IP address. The packets move independently of each other and can arrive at the destination in any order. Equipment called routers direct the packets according to the traffic on the network and their destination. As all the packets are numbered, it is easy to reconstitute the files upon arrival without alteration. The access rate corresponds to the number of bits transmitted during a second. Traffic density on the network has a strong influence on the remaining available bandwidth. When a flow goes from the client to the network, we speak about upload. When a flow goes from the network to the client, we speak about download. To access the Internet, there are several access technologies that do not have the same bandwidth capacities. Broadband access, such as ADSL, cable or WiMAX. Very high-speed access, such as FTTH, cable or VDSL. ADSL is the broadband access technology that is most commonly used in Europe. It uses the standard telephone socket and copper pair. Voice and data are therefore carried over the same media. ADSL uses the high frequencies of the copper pair, while the telephone uses the low frequencies. In the telephone exchange, a filter sends the low frequencies to the telephone switch and the high frequencies to a DSL AM directly connected to the Internet. FTTH is an access technology with a very high bandwidth. It uses optical fibers, a very fine thread made of glass or plastic which conducts light and transports information as light flashes. As well as offering a very high rate of information, it allows information to be propagated over very long distances. The rate of information is identical, whatever the distance that separates the client from the local exchange. Data is uploaded and downloaded on the fiber through the use of different wavelengths. The cable network can also supply high-speed or very high-speed access to the Internet. Cable technology is essentially urban. Complementary to ADSL, WiMAX allows data to be sent by radio waves. This technology allows local connection of users who cannot receive connections via landline. In contrast to copper and radio technologies, the bitrate limit of fiber is far from having been reached today.